In the following, you will see what to consider when taking measurements for installation with clamp brackets. The pleated blind will later sit flush with the top and bottom edges of the window sash. Installation with clamp brackets is only suitable for PVC windows. For accurate measurements, we recommend using a metal tape measure to determine the order width of your pleated blind. In this example, the measurement is 61 centimeters. Add the desired overlap to both sides of this measured width. Make sure to leave at least 1 centimeter of clearance from the window handle, as the pleated blind is clamped onto the window sash. For the order height, enter the height of your window sash, measured from the top edge to the bottom edge. If you have particularly narrow window recesses, make sure that the clamp brackets and the pleated blind do not touch the wall of the window. Reveal when the window is opened. Enter the measurements you have determined into the configurator. In most cases, measurements must be entered in millimeters. We hope this information has been helpful and look forward to receiving your order.